Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can create your own QR code. So this is what we are going to be creating today. To create the QR code we just need a blank canvas. So as you can see, mine is just 4 inches by 4 inches. Then we need to come down to where it says apps in the sidebar, select apps, and we are going to type in QR code. And we just want QR code generator. That will now bring up lots of options for QR code generators that we can use. We're just going to select the second one. And now you need to put in your website URL. So I'm going to use my website, so awesomecrafter.com. Then here is an option to customize it. So if we drop down the list, we can see now we can change the background color. So if you wanted it to be a different background color here, then you've got options there where you can change that. Then you can also change the foreground, so that's going to change the color of the actual QR code. We can change the margin as well on our QR code. Once we're happy with all of the settings, we can then generate code, and that has now generated us our QR code. If we want to make some changes, we can simply make any changes to it and then select update code, and as we can see now, it's give us a lot smaller margin. Now I've reduced the size of that. So if we change the background color now, we can see what happens. So there we can see now that's changed the background color, and you can just play around with it until you get your desired effect for the QR code you are trying to create. And then we can just enlarge that into the space, center it all. Then to use this, you would head up to share, download it as a PNG. Once it's been downloaded as a PNG, you're ready to upload that into your designs, ready to use to send your customers straight to your website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon.